Welcome to this feature tutorial on iMBrace InsightsIQ, where we turn enterprise data into actionable insights. We begin by navigating to the Select Agent menu. From the available options, we choose a relevant AI agent to start our task. In this example, we are using an order management AI agent with multi-document extraction. The data board provides a structured view of extracted documents, including purchase orders and invoices. Here, we see the agent in action. You can interact with the AI agent and ask it to generate insights from the documents uploaded to the data board, such as a financial summary with visual breakdowns of monthly purchase orders and invoices for 2024 and 2025. Next, we switch to another example, an LC discrepancy AI agent with multi-document extraction. This data board displays documents related to letters of credit, such as certificates of origin and insurance certificates. You can ask the AI agent to perform a letter of credit discrepancy analysis. It reviews the relevant documents against established compliance rules and automatically generates a detailed discrepancy report within seconds. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.